how to translate websites in Google Chrome. So I'll show you how to translate a page or a website in your Chrome browser. Now, first go and load up your Chrome browser like this and click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side. Now scroll down the page and click on Settings. From the left hand side, select Languages, scroll down to Use Google Translate, and make sure this is turned on. You could then click on the drop down next to Translate into this language and select the language you want to translate the web page to. Now once you've done this, go and load up the website you want to translate. You could then click on the three vertical dots, scroll down to Translate and click on this. Now it should automatically go and translate the text on this website. You can click on the English button to translate this into English. Now, if it's not working for you, you can always click on the three vertical dots once again, click on Extensions and press Visit Chrome Web Store. Now click on the search box, type in Translate, and you'll need to go and install the Google Translate extension. Now click on Add Extension. Once it's been added to your browser, you can click on the extension toolbar and click on the pin icon. Now go and copy the text that you want to translate and click on the Google Translate icon. Now all of the text that you have copied will automatically be translated into this language like so.